Hi, my name is Roberta Timis, student ID 21493692. Today I'll talk about Gencast, the groundbreaking AI technology developed by Google DeepMind. It has just been launched and is changing the way we predict weather. In this presentation I'll explain how Gencast works, its history, why it's so important, and why it could mean for the future. So, basically Gencast is a very smart AI tool that helps predict the weather with amazing accuracy. It was designed to make weather forecasting faster and more reliable, especially for big weather events like hurricanes, heat waves, and storms. The main idea behind it was to help prepare better for extreme weather. And what makes it so special, it's how it uses AI to create probability-based forecasts. So unlike traditional weather reports, which only gives you one outcome, Gencast shows you the chances of different possibilities. It's been trained on a lot of weather data from around the world, and obviously will even adjust its prediction as it learns more and more. Gencast has some awesome features too. It's great at predicting extreme weather events like tropical cyclones and tracking their path. It works with real-time and paced data to improve its accuracy. It can connect with other systems like apps and software, so people can use it easily for things like setting weather alerts or planning the day based off how the weather is going to be. This technology has a lot of uses. It helps in disaster planning. It supports farmers like with crop planning. It optimizes renewable energy. And it can even help with aviation industries. It makes flights safer. Evolution, impact, and future prospects. So DeepMind started working on weather-related AI back in 2020, experimenting with ways to improve predictions. By 2023, they began using huge amounts of weather data to create smarter models. And now in 2024, they just launched Gencast, and it's already making a big impact, especially from support from a really big weather organization like the European Center for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts. Gencast can save lives basically by giving earlier and more accurate warnings for things like hurricanes. It helps people prepare better and reduce damage. It's also helping industries like farming and energy, where planning depending so much on the weather. And it's making reliable weather forecasts more accessible to communities that really need them. So yeah, looking ahead, the future for Gencast looks exciting obviously. It could become even more detailed, predicting weather for very specific locations. It might also use data from more resources like sensors or satellites, and obviously will help getting better. There are also challenges for Gencast, like making sure the data it uses is always accurate, and obviously ensuring that everyone has access to this technology, not just rich people and rich countries. So yeah, overall, Gencast is showing how AI can help real-world problems, not just weather, but in other areas too. And in conclusion, Gencast shows how powerful AI can be when it's used to solve real problems. It's changing how we understand and prepare for the weather, which impacts so many parts of our lives, obviously. And as it improves, I think it'll become even more important in making the world safer and more sustainable. And yeah, thank you so much for listening.